What is up, YouTube? Mark Kicks coming at you with another video. Fresh cut. Sneakers. Your boy is back. Nike, we finally stopped sending with the black tape that said Nike over the box that said, this dude copped something. You might want to take it. So they finally stopped doing that. I'm pretty sure they switched to like a more recyclable box, but I could have just made that up because that's just some of the vibes. What type of box? I just opened that like a psycho. Dennis Rodman vibes. Woo! My best cop on Nike sneakers. $1,500 shoe copped. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. I think they're repaying me for the hundreds and hundreds of missed releases. So they gotta start repaying me. Starts today. We got, comes in a plastic like box too. That's kinda hard. Thumbnail. So we got a Jordan 1 Low OG SP Travis Fragment. Oh, you just have to love it. Paper with the Air Jordan logo, Travis logo, Fragment logo. Doesn't get much better. And so something about this shoe, I was very iffy on it. I still don't like the highs very much. The lows I do feel like are clean. I'm not just saying that just because I copped these. The lows are clean. I like them. I like the vibes. What else do I say about this shoe? You got whatever writing that is. You got the Cactus Jack on the back with the little Travis logo. I just like the colorway. Honestly, you give us a black, you throw some like off-white cream in there. You throw, obviously, blue is like my favorite color. This is just a cop, man. And Nike, y'all finally did it. Thank you Nike. I would like to thank MJ for always being there watching me not cop. I would like to thank Sneakers for continuously rejecting me. But now look, who gets the last laugh? I don't know what this video is about. I just really wanted to say most expensive shoe ever copped on sneakers for me. Travis 1, let me know in the comments, would you keep this shoe? So you got it for 150 bucks. Would you keep it or would you sell it for 1,500? So pretty much make, that's a lot of money, man. So let me know. My Instagram put the poll up and I think 70% of people said they would sell the shoe. Everybody money hungry, man. Everybody, nah, I'm playing. What would you do? I think these are gonna stay for a while. So yeah, Mark Kicks in the building. Stay tuned.